Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'll be making potato and peas soup. Ingredients I'll be using: 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, a tablespoon salt and black pepper, 2 tablespoons turmeric, 1 cup sweet onions, 2 Anaheim peppers, 4 cups of water, 3 potatoes, 2 cups peas, frozen peas, a pound of skinless, boneless chicken, and I'll be using a whole tomato. Add the vegetable oil to the pot. I've preheated my pot. Careful putting in the chicken. You'll start to see the sizzling. Add salt and black pepper. Stir the meat. And we'll go ahead and cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Hope you all had a great week. This is another Mediterranean recipe that I've picked up from my mother-in-law during my visit to Tunisia. Adding the onions. We'll go ahead and have the onions cook with the chicken. Once the chicken is tender and cooked, add the turmeric. Turmeric is very, very healthy. It's used to cleanse the internal and external of the body. And my mother-in-law cooks with turmeric all the time. You have to be extra careful cooking with the turmeric. Once you get it on your counter, it stains it and it takes a while for it to come off. But it is very healthy. I'm going to add water. Make sure the water is covering the meat. I'll add a little bit more water. Adding the potatoes. And I will have it cook for 15 minutes until the potato is tender. The last 6-7 minutes, I've added the peas, the peppers, and the last 2-3 minutes, I've added the tomatoes to give my food coloring. This is the final results. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please comment below on how it turned out. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting every week. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you on the next video.